What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today I'm on a property from about 1985, and we've got a water heater back over here, and this water heater is installed, or at least it was manufactured in 2019, meaning that it was installed after 2019. When I come up to a property that's from 1985, we usually walk up to an older water heater and we expect to see a slew of issues. But when I see a brand new one that was installed very recently, within the last couple of years, I kind of expect it to be installed up to code and in good condition and everything. So anyway, that's not the case here. So I'm gonna take you in and take a look. Check it out. Now I'm going to start talking about this water heater from the top down, and we're going to start with this flue pipe right here and how it goes through the ceiling. Now this is a flexible B vent and it requires at least 1 inch of clearance from combustible material, and as you can tell, we do not have that. Usually the hole is cut a little bit large, and there's a collar that goes around this that maintains all the clearances, but you can see they've gone out of their way to make sure we have zero clearance by actually sealing it and caulking it to the ceiling, which is again starting to crack here. Okay. Now, moving on. This flue pipe, as you can see, goes up and then it has a negative slope. This is not good. This can cause backdrafting. This is going to cause this to not exhaust properly. This needs to go up, always remaining to go up, never going down and then back up. That's not a great situation. Okay, let's see what else we got on this water heater. Okay, so again, this product was manufactured in 2019, meaning that it was installed after that, so sometime after that. And what we should have is a sediment trap in the gas line, but you can see they just hooked the new one up where the old one was because we didn't do that back then. And so, we do not have that sediment trap that we look for on a newer unit. So it's kind of surprising. Now, speaking of surprising, we actually do have a temperature and pressure relief line, and it is running to the exterior of the property. However, when you move down here to the pan, they cut the old line, I guess, to install a new one, and they didn't bother reconnecting it or anything. Now it terminates to the garage, which isn't an ideal situation, but this one right here is just going to terminate to this wood platform. So if anything ever happens, this could become rotted. So that's not a great situation. This at the very least should be connected, and really we would like to see this extend to the exterior of the property as well. All right, everybody, so that's just a few of the things that I found on this newly installed water heater. There's certainly a few more items. You guys are smart. I'm sure you'll find several more things. Feel free to comment away. But that's all I got time for today. So we're going to wrap this video up. I'm going to go finish inspecting this house. Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Give me a call so I can inspect your next house. Bye now. Hey, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.